Hello, students. Good evening. I hope current affairs and reading about it on regular basis. So, in today's session, we're discussing quite a few things. Now, any delay, let's get it. First news that we are discussing: typhoon. What is this? It's made a landfall in Taiwan, strongest in the last 8 years, which is causing severe flood islands, which is the second largest city as Taichu. Similarly, in the Philippines, it's sorry, exacerbated seasonal rains, triggering floods and landslides, which has caused severe flooding and province and led to highest in Guangzhou city of China. Similarly, what are typhoons? Typhoons are some kinds of storms that are there. Now, what are these storms? They are depending on where they may occur. Some places hurricanes, typhoons, and some places cyclones. To understand this better, it is important to understand this map. Basically the type and look. Typhoon generally China and the Pacific Ocean. Hurricanes are generally West Indian Islands and Caribbean Sea, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. Similarly, tornadoes take place or occur uh, in the lands of West Africa, southern USA. Similarly, Willy Willies are northwestern Australian region, and tropical cyclones take place in the Indian Ocean region. In some time back, I had discussed something cyclone. Drop it in the comment section. Cyclone. So, moving ahead, the next news that we are reading, Vishnupat and what are these? So, in the financial minister time of budget happened to mention that the corridor projects will be for the at Gaya, and now these will be modeled on the successful Kashi Vishwanath temple. Similarly, this is to transform world-class pilgrim and tourist destination. Likewise, the temple are located 10 kilometers from each other. Now, when we try to talk about this, the Mahabodhi temple located in the Bodh Gaya region marks the site where Siddhartha Gautama, currently Buddha, attained enlightenment around 589 BC. Right. Similarly, Vishnupat temple, which is situated in Gaya, Bihar, which is on the banks of Falgu. This temple was built around the foot of Lord Vishnu, which was believed to be have placed by the demon Gayasura to subdue him. So make sure that you're going through these things and having a proper look. Why do we discuss this? Is because we know that CLAT section culture is something that is also asked. Understanding same, we will also come or discuss about next cultural NMCM. This recently, this mission was launched on basically by the Ministry of Culture. This is to provide a comprehensive the culture and heritage of village will encompass all inhabited villages according to with a specific focus on all villages are for mapping process. Similarly, the database will be available at the Metagaon, which will be utilized by other ministries and the organized protect and promote local cultural tradition and other art forms. Similarly, it was the National Mission on Cultural Mapping and by the minister in coordination with the Indira Gandhi Arts, which is IGNCA. Make sure that you're going through these things, trying to discuss depth about being as well as the IGNCA. Moving ahead, Gaia mission. The European Space Agency's Space Telescope creates the most comprehensive map of our galaxy. Now, despite being located 101.5 at the second Sun Earth Lagrange point, which is L2. Now, Guy has demonstrated remarkable resilience in the face of space by measuring the precise position, speeds, and trajectory of about 2 billion of the stars in the sky. Enables astronomers not only the galaxy today but also to life billions and billions of past and future as well. Please make sure that you're going to news. And coming to the next news, regards to anti-reservation protests in Bangladesh. More than 100 people have killed under the idea of this protest, which controls Bangladesh and hold Dhaka in siege. In Bangladesh, 30% quota in the country's government, countries, which is reserved for families of freedom fighters. Similarly, protesters have say these are discriminatory as they benefit families of ruling Awami League, has the most number of families participated for the freedom movement. Similarly, protesters also want the quotas to be scrapped. Make sure you're going through the Awami League, understanding about Bangladesh and all the other details with regards to this. Coming to the last part of the news, I request you like, share, subscribe, but make sure that you're dropping in the comment section about what else do you want to know from us. I'll see you all in the next video. Then bye bye, take care, and all the best.